John Piper with the Tuesday video. It's Tuesday the 23rd of May, and we're starting with the daily chart of gold. This is a 200-day moving average, and it's bounced off that in the last few days, which is encouraging. No change of stance here. I believe we're going to see some decent rallies, strong bull market action. I'm already positioned heavily in stocks, ETFs, gold coins, silver, etc., etc. I could do some more spread bets, and if I take one, I shall let you know. Right, with the 200-day moving average around here, one could take a trade on current levels, or certainly if we get down to 50 with the stop below that level there. So this is the key support level. Wave count this two ways, I guess. It could be a 1, 2. It could be a 3, a 4, and a 5. Well, it hasn't made a new high yet, so that's a bit mute. It could be a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be an A, I suppose, or it could be a complete correction. That could be a B with a C. So we may still retest the moving average before it goes up. Difficult really, because if it does break above there, then it could just start to shoot ahead. The key thing really is to be positioned for this coming move, I think, as you know I already am. So I'm not too worried what happens next, but I would like to add. If I add, I'll let you know. I can't say much more than that really at this point. Alright, silver still lagging. 200-day moving average is here. We've got a sort of higher low here, but not too much to write home about. Look at the hourly chart. Well, that's encouraging, I suppose, as a possible one. So 1, 2, maybe a 3 developing, but it's not too encouraging right at this point in time. So similar to gold, really, there's plenty of potential, I think, but right now it's just coasting along, really. Looking at the DAX, this is the 30-minute chart. I saw the peak there, like an A, B, C, but we're still getting these spikes, so looking a little bit negative, maybe A, B, C again. I'm not sure what's happening at the moment. It seems to be unclear, although as I said before, there is a case for a major peak in the longer term. Alright, the Dow saw a peak here. This is the 4-hourly chart. A, B, C. This looks impulsive. A, B, C again. Spike there. So right now this is positive, with clearly resistance around this spike here, around 21,150 or thereabouts. Right, quick look at Bitcoin. This is the chart since inception. So we had a 1 wave here, 2 wave down to there, and this is all a 3rd wave. Quite how you count, I'm not sure, but say 1, 2, 1, 2 maybe. I can count 3 waves, sorry, 5 waves up now. I mean, it's gone pretty much vertical. So I anticipate some kind of pullback. I don't plan to short this. I'm buying and holding basically with my mining shares and various different currencies, etc. But it's looking pretty good. Let's go down. This chart really shows the action since I got involved. But if you look at the low here, which is quite a major correction, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this could be a 5th wave in progress. It could, of course, be a third of a third. I mean, it doesn't show much sign of stopping. It's now above 2,000. Fairly incredible action. I did mention that I expected price to move up because Agora were promoting it. It's quite the whole thing with Bitcoin is the uncertainty about what it's all about, basically. But really, if you think about it, if you look at a gold coin, then the value of that coin is really a matter of opinion. The fact that it's been around for thousands of years may help you feel more comfortable about it, but ultimately the actual value is very variable, which is exactly the same as Bitcoin. If you own Bitcoin, you see numbers on a computer screen, just like you do if you have money in the bank. You see numbers on a computer screen. We know for a fact that the fiat currencies are depreciating, so it's not very good to hold too much in cash. We know for a fact that the cryptos are rapidly moving ahead. We may have concern about the sustainability of that, but sensible entry points makes a lot of sense. And holding cash that is depreciating is questionable, I think. My overall view remains that there are many people not involved yet. As people like Agora continue to promote this area, then more money will be flowing into it, and the prices are liable to go up. Not forever, but I think we're at the beginning of the move rather than at the end of it. It is still very early days, in my opinion, and I think this is a good one to get involved with, especially by mining shares which just churn out Bitcoin at whatever price it is. You know, in fact, I mean, right now it's a very good, a much better deal than it was when I got involved, in the sense that when I bought my mining shares back in November 2016, it was churning out Bitcoin worth $700, and now it's churning out Bitcoin worth $2,000. So I say worth, I should say valued at, because obviously they're worth that if I cash it in today, but what they'll be worth tomorrow is uncertain, I guess. Anyway, the point I'm making is that my mining shares in 6 months have generated 1 Bitcoin, so that Bitcoin is now well in excess of half of the cost of the mining share. So it's a pretty good deal, and I'm sticking with it. So anyway, that's my view of that. I'll go back to FTSE. All right, finally FTSE. Quite an interesting chart actually. This is the 2-hourly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. So one more move above 25.25. Could be the end of that 5-wave advance. Let's have a look at longer term. Well, you go from here, I guess you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and then there's 5th wave. Anyway, exactly how it pans out remains to be seen, but a move above 7.525, and especially if there's a spike involved, could be an excellent shorting opportunity on FTSE. On that note, I'll call today. If you found that interesting and useful, back to the report on Thursday morning. Actually, I'm flying on Thursday, so maybe Friday. Looking forward to seeing some of you at the seminar next week. I'll be in the UK, obviously. That's where I'm flying to. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.